In this video, we'll walk you through how AutoElevate works, how to request admin access, and what to expect when submitting a request. What is AutoElevate? AutoElevate is a privilege management tool that ensures only approved applications can be installed or modified on your computer. Instead of requiring administrator credentials, it gives you a simple way to request approval when needed. If you try to install or update software that requires admin rights and isn't already approved by our system, you'll see an AutoElevate pop-up instead of the standard Windows security prompt. If this is correct, click Yes. You can also provide an explanation for why you need the software, which helps KPInterface process your request faster. Once you submit your request, it is automatically sent to KPInterface for review. There is a 10-minute countdown, during which your request will either be approved or denied. If your request is approved, you will see a confirmation message. Click OK, and your installation will proceed automatically. If your request is denied, you will receive a notification. A technician should also reach out to explain why your request was rejected and whether there's an alternative solution. Here are a few tips when using AutoElevate. Only request software that is necessary for your job. If a program is already pre-approved, you won't need to submit a request. If your request is denied, check with KPInterface before attempting another request. If you have any issues or need assistance with AutoElevate, contact the KPInterface support team. We're here to help. AutoElevate helps keep your system secure while making it easy to get the access you need. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.